I really have to apologise for not doing any thank yous for postcards and letters. I really apologise. I've been sort of putting them on a shelf and thinking, well, I'll do it next week. I'll do it next week because there's only one or two. But anyway, listen, I'm going to go through these very quickly. If I haven't got you down and it's not on, your name's not on the back of the postcard, then please forgive me. I'll just shout it out. Well, I've got a nice letter here from Michael Klein in Germany. Oh, is it Germany? Yes, it's in Germany. And that's his Land Rover he's been working on. He's been watching our videos and we're all working together to make his Land Rover a lot better. So thank you for that. I will reply to you because I know I've got your email address, but I will reply to you, I promise. Let's go through some other postcards. I've got loads and loads of them. Well, like I say, I've just been putting them on a shelf. We had Landy Andy down the other day. It doesn't count as a postcard, but it counts as a sticker, so that's going on the door. Wait a minute, what have we got here? From a woman's hand. Who's that from? I don't know. Art exhibition. Oh, it must be, it's from Mark, when he was down in Keys. I don't know if I did a shout out for this one. This is from Steve, Atlanta, Georgia. Thank you for that, Steve. When Debbie gets here, she's going to stick them all on the wall because we've had a problem with the damn things falling off. Ruin. We got from Philip. Where's that? Oh, it's in France, northern France. I should know that, shouldn't I? Thank you for that. Delft. Delft in Holland, or is it? Yes, it is Holland, isn't it? Thank you for that. That was from Sander. He's got an XMOD Series 3109 pickup. Well done. Keep you going. What have we got here? Newfoundland Labrador. Again, this is from Mark when he was on his holidays. This is from ages ago. Thanks for that, Mark. I think we read this one out. This is from Alison, Darren and Pierre. He says another great fry is Bobby because we've got quite a few on those. Thanks for that. Brampton. What's that? Brampton, Ontario? Yeah. Must be from James. Is it Brampton, UK? Because look at all the roads. There's so many towns named after English towns and villages and stuff like that here in Canada, especially in Ontario. We've got Whitby, Scarborough, we've got all sorts, we've got a whole batch of them here. Oh, I just got this one the other day from, I think it's Alan Hart in Wales, of the Land Rover production line. That's probably just taken last week. Thanks for that. We've got Adventures of Dougal. Where did that Adventures of Dougal come from? I don't know. There's nothing on the back. Another card from Amsterdam. Thank you for that, whoever sent it, but there's nothing on the back. Maybe I had a letter and I've put that on a different shelf. I'm sorry it's going on a bit this way, there's a lot of things. Stockholm, Sweden. That's very nice. When I was on KLM once, the flight attendant hit my knee with a trolley and she gave me a bottle of gin shaped like one of these Dutch houses. That's nice, isn't it? Somebody sent me a rather cheeky postcard of Finland sauna. I think that'll be on my shopping list. Thank you one and all for that. I promise we'll get them put up. I think since I've changed my description in the videos below, I don't have my address anymore. I don't know why. I sort of missed it out. Anyway.